The Quran presents itself not merely as a book of faith, but as a comprehensive guide for human life. It lays down a set of laws, principles and values intended to create a just, equitable and prosperous society. This divine code addresses every aspect of human existence, from individual behavior and social interactions to economic transactions and political governance. The Quran's legal framework provides clear guidelines and regulations, outlining both the rewards for adherence and the consequences for transgression. This emphasis on law underscores the Quran's practical relevance, extending beyond the realm of personal belief to shape the very fabric of human civilization. The Quran recognizes the importance of providing a rationale for its commandments. It doesn't merely dictate rules, but aims to cultivate understanding and conscious acceptance among its followers. By elucidating the wisdom behind its laws, the Quran encourages believers to internalize its message and live in accordance with its principles out of conviction, not just out of obligation. This approach fosters a deeper appreciation for the divine guidance embedded within the Quran's legal framework. The Quran's emphasis on law is not meant to limit human freedom, but to guide individuals towards a more fulfilling and meaningful life. By adhering to the Quran's principles, individuals can create a just and harmonious society where everyone's rights and dignity are respected. This emphasis on law and order is not unique to Islam. It is a common thread running through many of the world's great religions and ethical systems. A distinctive feature of the Quran is its strong emphasis on empirical evidence and reasoned inquiry. The Quran repeatedly calls upon its audience to observe the natural world, study its wonders, and reflect upon its signs. Natural phenomena, from the celestial bodies in the cosmos to the intricate workings of the human body, are presented as evidence of a divine creator and sustainer. The Quran encourages its followers to approach their faith with a critical and inquisitive mind. Blind faith is discouraged. Instead, believers are urged to seek knowledge, question assumptions, and demand proof for what is presented to them. This emphasis on reason and observation aligns with the scientific spirit, valuing evidence-based conclusions over unquestioning acceptance. The Quran's message is clear. True faith is not blind adherence, but an informed conviction rooted in understanding and reflection. This approach to faith fosters intellectual curiosity and encourages a deeper engagement with both the natural world and the divine message. The Quran places a profound emphasis on the pursuit of knowledge as an integral part of a meaningful life. Knowledge, according to the Quran, is not merely the accumulation of facts, but a transformative journey that illuminates the mind, elevates the soul, and empowers individuals to make informed decisions. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes the importance of seeking knowledge from a variety of sources, including through observation, experimentation, and reasoned discourse. This emphasis on knowledge extends beyond the religious realm, encompassing all branches of human understanding. The Quran encourages the study of science, mathematics, history, and the arts, recognizing the value of a well-rounded education. This holistic approach to learning reflects the Quran's understanding of knowledge as a powerful tool for personal growth, societal advancement, and a deeper understanding of the divine. The Quran's message is clear. The pursuit of knowledge is not merely a right, but a responsibility. It is through knowledge that individuals can break free from the shackles of ignorance, prejudice, and superstition, and contribute to the betterment of themselves and the world around them. Section 4. Unveiling meaning, the importance of language. Understanding the Quran's message in its entirety requires engaging with its original Arabic text. The Quran, revealed in the Arabic language, possesses a unique linguistic beauty and depth that can be easily missed in translation. The Arabic language, with its intricate grammar, rich vocabulary, and nuanced expressions, plays a crucial role in conveying the subtleties and layers of meaning embedded within the Quranic verses. To fully appreciate the Quran's message, it is essential to delve into the nuances of its language. This involves understanding the various rhetorical devices employed, the historical context in which the verses were revealed, and the specific meanings of words and phrases within their grammatical structures. Only by engaging with the Qur'an in its original language can one truly grasp the depth and richness of its message. The Qur'an in its original Arabic form is a literary masterpiece that has inspired generations of scholars, poets, and artists. Its eloquence, rhythm, and powerful imagery have captivated hearts and minds for centuries, transcending cultural and linguistic boundaries. Section 5. The Qur'an's integrity, a call for authenticity. The Qur'an repeatedly emphasizes its own internal consistency and calls for it to be understood as a complete and indivisible whole. The verses of the Qur'an are interconnected, with themes and ideas weaving together to form a cohesive and comprehensive message. Understanding the Qur'an requires considering each verse in light of its surrounding context and recognizing the interconnectedness of its various parts. Interpreting the Qur'an through external lenses or imposing foreign ideas onto its verses can distort its intended meaning. The Qur'an, as a divine revelation, possesses its own internal logic and coherence. Attempting to understand it through frameworks or methodologies that are external to its own principles can lead to misinterpretations and misunderstandings. The Qur'an in its entirety stands as a testament to its divine origin. Its timeless wisdom, profound insights, and transformative message continue to resonate with millions around the world, offering guidance, solace, and inspiration. Section 6. Conclusion. The Qur'an is more than a religious text. It is a book of law and wisdom, offering profound insights into the human condition and the universe we inhabit. It calls for reason, observation, and the pursuit of knowledge, urging mankind to approach faith with an inquisitive mind. To truly grasp the Qur'an's message, it is essential to engage with its original Arabic text, appreciating the nuances of its language and the interconnectedness of its verses. The Qur'an, in its entirety, stands as a beacon of guidance, offering a path to a more just, compassionate, and fulfilling life.